Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can use Microsoft Loop to collaborate on projects in real time and keep your work organized in one shared space. Effective collaboration is essential for modern teams, and Microsoft Loop is designed to make teamwork with more flexible, dynamic, and productive. In this video, I will walk you step by step through how to create Loop workspace, add pages and components, and collaborate with team members simultaneously. You will also learn how to use Loop components for nodes, task lists, tables, and ideas, and how to integrate Loop with Microsoft Teams and other Microsoft 365 tools. So right now we are at the website of the Microsoft Loop. So here I will just click on the get started with Loop. So you make sure that you have already logged into your Microsoft account. So it will take you to the dashboard of the Cloud Loop Microsoft. Okay, so right now we are here. So you just click on this plus icon and you can click on the page in ideas. So that's how you can enter into your workspace, or you can also create your own workspace. Okay, let me show you. Just click on the create now and then new workspace, and then in that new workspace you can create your page ideas. So let's suppose we are going to work with our team regarding a project planning. So here I'm going to select a project planning template, and then you can add your team members so that you can collaborate on a project. You can change the names and cover photo, text, each and everything as per your project, and then you can click on this share button. Okay, so you click on this page link, and that's how if you can get the link of this project and you can share it with your team members. Or you can also do another thing. You can write their email address, okay, and they will be added to your workspace, and then all of you guys can do changes or manage your project, and one can work independently on this project together. So that's how basically you can add your team members and work together on a same project and gather your ideas. So that's how basically you can use Loop for creating uh, groups for managing projects in a group. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.